Hey, cuz, so today, man, this is G37, man. Look at that. Many people know what that is. That's your coolant pump, man, in the back, man. Recording off the iPhone, so you know the quality good. You can see that clear as day. Got the cover of the bit off. So I'm gonna show y'all in a second. Get this light situated. Started fucking doing it. I'm gonna try to get this off. Put this clamp on, replace that whole sleeve. Put this shit right here. Yeah, sure. Let me get this bitch on. First of all, let me see how to fucking get that clamp piece on. Get my keys out. Get it off. You get those fucking little weak ass, old ass Infiniti weak ass bracings off. You get this shit. See, you fully eroded in these motherfuckers from the previous shit. It just straight up exploded. That shit's all over my shit. I'm gonna wipe this shit down, clean it, put a new one in. See how we. And at the end, should come out looking spiffy, something like this. You know, replace right here, right here. I wish I had a freaking brass fitting, but I don't get the plastic. Cause autos only have plastic, but you can go big, go home, be repairing that soon and getting a better fitting for that. But yeah, that's how you should come out. That's how you usually fix the back heat coolant hose back there. If it pops, Infiniti game, man.